Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a great day today and please do consider subscribing if you have not already. Now this one's gonna be a fun one. So this one is Robinhood. It's Robinhood Markets LLC, ticker symbol Hood, and this is the discount brokerage. It's basically like an online casino where a lot of younger people throughout the pandemic signed up and invested in options and meme stocks like GameStop, and it was in the news because they stopped trading on things like GameStop and AMC because just of the volatility, and they weren't going to be able to meet their liquidity requirements, so to say. That's what their huge world tour of press was about. After all the backlash. So anyway, let's get right into it. So Robinhood, as of right now, with a last market close was yesterday, Friday, December 10th, 2021. And we can see that the average price target is $45, which is about 125% upside from where it closed at $20. And they're listed as a moderate buy because they have 6 buys, 5 hold, and 1 sell rating. And the lowest price target is 26. So yeah, that's not that bad if you actually think about that kind of difference, like a 25% difference in where it is, a little bit more than 25% difference in where it is right now, where it could go up to as a low. Let's look at the stock analysis. It's a smart score of a 6. This one is just like floundering. That's not a very good score, but with how many young people are on the platform and where it could go if they involved like sports betting and sports gambling, and things like that, then sky's the limit for Robinhood. But it's just like we'll see where it goes, and we'll see what happens to it. So if we actually look at the income statement, they only reported the year ending in 2019 and 2020, and we could see that's pretty good revenue growth, from 2019 to 2020. That's what you want to see. You want to see, some positive, CAGR, some positive growth numbers out of their top line revenue and their net income. They actually did have a small net income for the year of 2020 because of, again, all of the trading that went on and all of the cryptocurrencies that were bought and the fees that they charge off of those things. Well, not necessarily like the stock trading, but like the payment for order flow that they sell their customers, data and information on. And let's see what else we have on their balance sheet. This one's kind of odd, but cash and cash equivalents and the short-term investments, it ballooned from 644 million to 6.3 billion. So they were clearly infused with a lot of cash. And again, this is pre-IPO. Robinhood IPO'd in 2021, so this is not recent. This is not like, they got all this cash because of their IPO. They got their cash from somewhere, most likely an investor in one of their funding rounds. So we can actually see that total current assets is about 10.8 billion and total current liabilities is about 8.8 billion. And that's pretty good. It's positive working capital. That's what you want to see. But is it real? We'll see. Let's look at the cash flow statement, and we can see that their positive net income of about 7.4 million. And if we scroll down, long-term debt issuances, this is not what you want to see as far as issuing debt, but it makes sense that they did pay down that debt actually. So they issued 137 million in 2019. They actually paid off 137 million by the end of 2019. They issued 937 in 2020. They paid off 938. So they're clearly of that mindset. And here is where equity issuance is. Again, this is all private market at this time. So 1.2 billion. You can see that they had issued 372 million the year before. So again, this all makes sense as far as like equity issuances and whatnot. But I'm still thinking that in the year of 2020, they had a large private, maybe purchase of their investments. I'm not sure exactly where I would see that in here as far as what market beat shows. Sale and maturity of investments. No, it does. I'm not sure again if this is. I mean like their personal equity. So I'm not. I don't mean like their specific investments that they own. So I'm not sure if this is correct. But either way, I still think that they got that $6 billion from somewhere, and it probably came from a private investor. And now let's get to the fun part. So if we look at a portfolio of Robinhood where they IPO'd in August of 2021, you would actually have a $10,000 initial balance would have fallen to 7,380. Along with all the other IPOs in the market lately, Robinhood has absolutely taken a beating, and as you can see, it's down 26% as of November 2021. So that's in 3 months, that's not great. That's not what we really want to see. That's not positive at all as far as like an IPO. But again, they've all gotten hammered, so it's not just like it's an outlier that it's just Robinhood. It's not. It's market wide. All the IPOs have really taken a beating. So anyway, with that, guys, this was a shorter video, and I hope you guys do like it, and I hope that you do subscribe or comment down below. Thank you.